Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add your height and weight in your Amazon profile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already gone to amazon.com and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It's quite easy. Initially, what I would like to do is simply hover over this Hello Accounts and List section. I'm gonna hover over it. Well, from here, what I would like to do is simply look over this Your Account section and go to Account right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. That's your account. From here, let's directly go to your profiles. Click on it right now. Simply select the profile that you want to manage. And right here in this page, well, you can see something like this. You can edit your profile name or simply scroll down. And right here under this Enrolled Program section, what you need to do is simply click on Shopping. Well, once you're here, you can see something like your profile. It's about you, preferred department, height, weight, and age group. Well, I'm simply gonna click on this height and weight section right here. Then something like this will open up right from there. Then just hit on add, and from here you can add your height and weight. I'm gonna enter it right now. As you can see, I have added it. Once everything's okay, simply hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you add your height and weight in your Amazon profile. It's quite easy. Well, you know that there are other things that you can look at like interest and everything, but we only focused on that. And guys, that's it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.